Sympy solve returns strange dictionary when it should not return any. This question could be related to Python Sympy solve returns list versus dictionary. Or are quoted dictionary keys an absolute must? I have this Sympy code in one of my first attempts to Sympy library. My output looks like or I can get x, y with print values column comma list dict underscore min dot values, values column, 0, -1. If I set the flag dict true in solo equals solve eq1, eq2, self.x, self.y, dict equals true, I get x, 0, y, -1, as a result. Any idea about what is going on? Is it related on how I defined my fuzzy class? The results seem plausible to me, but this dict stuff is driving me crazy.
You can't access via dict underscore min x, or dict underscore min x, because x is of type sympy.core.symbol.symbol. The keys of this dict are of type sympy.core.symbol.symbol. Dict underscore min x does not work because no x variable is defined in your code. Dict underscore min x does not work because here you define x as a string, but the key named x in dict underscore min is of type sympy.core.symbol.symbol. There is no problem with your class. However, you can do this. Or so, dict underscore min is not a strange dict type from Sympy, that's a classic Python dict which keys are of type sympy.core.symbol.symbol. The keys are the symbols of your equation. Perhaps it was confusing because your symbols x and y were defined in your class and via sim.symbols xy. If you want to always get a list in minim, you should set dict equals true instead of false. By doing this, you will always get a list of solution mappings, this URL. Yes, the goal of dict equals true is to ensure that the returned variable will be of type list. I agree that could seems a bit strange. Some informations about this flag from the source code of solve, this URL. And here is the effect of the flag is underscore dict, this URL. As for Sympy 1.9.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.